How to fix SoFi Bank login not working. So you might be in the position where you try to access to your SoFi Bank account, but you are not being able to log into it. So this issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store and then in the search bar, search for SoFi Bank. Move into this app. Right here, if you see the option of update, then the application is not up to date. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. Over here, what you want to do is click on offload app. Once again, click on offload app. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will make your application run smoothly and remove all of the unwanted bugs. Well, if this doesn't help you out, then what you want to do is you can simply uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix SoFi Bank login not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.